I'm Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome you all for online 1 week interdisciplinary certificate course in Basics of Organic Farming conducted by IQSC and Department of Botany, Artley Saprebitri College, Deoru. Dear friends, in this video lecture, we will study mulching. Here we will see the procedure of mulching, organic mulches, as well as benefits of organic mulching. Mulch is any material that is spread or laid over the surface of the soil as a covering. Mulch is a material that covers the soil for a variety of reasons, usually controlling the weeds. If you apply mulching to garden or farm, your garden will be healthier, will have less weeds and resist drought than unmulched garden or farm. In mulching, a layer of material is applied on soil surface. In organic farming, only organic mulches are used. This is the procedure of mulching. We have to prepare one area, then spreading of the mulch and then watering the mulch. Mulching should be uniform. So this photograph shows the difference between good mulching and bad mulching. So here the good mulching, it is uniformly layered, and here bad mulching, it is like a dome. Mulching can be laid down on a soil that is already bedded, or we can lay down a thick enough layer of mulch before emergence of weeds to discourage new weeds. Usually 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch is enough. If the material is fine, then the thin layer will be suitable, as you can see here. Dear friends, you might have seen plastic used as a mulch. It is used in conventional regular farming. But we know hazardous effects of plastic on environment. So, in organic farming, various organic mulches are used. Organic mulches are natural products from leaves, trees, grass and other plant materials, often from your own yard. Now we will see some important mulches. First is fallen leaves. Deciduous trees and other plants shades their leaves in winter season. They are readily available in garden and farm. People generally collect it and burn it, which causes loss of valuable resources. These leaves are rich in nitrogen and other nutrients. So, the leaves can be chopped and used as a mulch by spreading uniform layer on soil surface. So this is the photograph which shows whole leaves, and these are the chopped leaves and used as a mulch. 1 year later, they are break down and decomposed, providing nutrients to the soil. After some day, it breaks down and feeds the soil with beneficial materials. Next organic mulch is weed or grass clippings. Weeds are readily available in garden as well as farm. They should be dried first and then spread thinly to keep them from becoming hot as well as slimy. Sometimes grasses can be also used as a mulch. But the weeds or the grasses that we are using, they must be free from seeds as well as the chemicals. This is the photograph where you can see that in between the crop, the mulch of grass and weed is used. Next organic mulch is compost. Dear friends, now you know that how to prepare compost. So you can use it as a mulch. It's break down rapidly to improve the soil quality as well as soil fertility. Next is crop residue or straw. It is available in any farm. It is inexpensive, no need to purchase, and they are helpful covering. However, they decompose more quickly. So dear friends, these are the photographs which shows that how crop residue they are used as a mulch in organic farming. Next is shredded bark. Bark of certain plants can be used as a mulch. Softwood bark mulch is attractive, resists compaction and breaks down slowly. Whereas hardwood bark is attractive but breaks down quickly and needs to properly composted to avoid sour mulch as well as nuisance fungi. So these are the photographs which shows application of shredded or the chipped bark in garden. Now we will see the benefits of mulching. Mulch is called the gardener's friend as it has many beneficial effects. Mulch reduces weed growth because it does not allow the light to reach at the soil surface, so there will be no emergence of weeds. Mulch reduces water loss from the soil surface, which helps to maintain soil moisture. It moderates soil temperatures, keeping it warmer on cold nights and cooler on hot days. In winter, soil under mulch will be warmer than unprotected soil. This protects the plants. Mulch reduces soil erosion caused by wind or heavy rainfall as soil is covered with mulch and often reduces soil compaction. It prevents crusting of the soil surface. Water moves more readily into soil covered with mulch instead of running off. It breaks down and feeds the soil. When we apply organic mulch, it is decomposed and organic matter is added to the soil. Mulch improves structure of clay soils as well as the moisture holding capacity of sandy soils. It keeps plant clean and off the ground, especially fruits and vegetables that grow near soil surface. Mulch is useful to avoid plant diseases as well as pest management. It gives garden an attractive as well as uniform appearance and rhythm to the garden design. These are the references used. Dear friends, hope that now you will use this mulching technique in your garden as well as in your farm. Thank you.